Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to this brand new video. And yeah, finally I feel I'm back on the track after being distracted for like 2 damn days. Not setting it as a priority, but we're gonna start this video on React and let's go. So basically this video is like a review video of whatever things we have learned in like past days of this section of components and advanced JSX. So let's just review this. So 1 minute's time. I think we'll take more than that. Congratulations, you have finished the finished. You have congratulations. You have finished the lesson on React components. Here is a short recap the concepts introduced in this lesson. Functional component can return multiple JSX line by nesting the elements in a. You got it right, parent element. So if you just nest them element, so it can return multiple JSX lines. So this is a very good line. Okay, we'll show you that, and I guess we have an example here. So here is our functional component. Functional component name is my code, and as you can see here, it returns it returns this entire component element along with other elements present inside it, since it is nested the element in parent element. So this is the parent element and these are child elements. So this is also a child element which has a sub-child element inside it. So basically it becomes a parent. Side becomes a parent. Anyway, let's move forward. Variables attributes can be used inside React component with JavaScript injections. Variable attributes. Okay, so it's a very cool word, JavaScript injections. So I don't think here we see a JavaScript injection. For example, let me just show you. An outside we create a variable like JavaScript variable. Let's say names is equals to. Let's create an array of Maddie. Okay, name starts with capital M by the way. Maddie Madik. Oh, new name. Jaffer. Jaffer. And let's create X-Man. So okay, so we got all of this. We can use like a random function. Okay, so what you're gonna do right now is you're gonna inject site. Let's create one new like an h1 tag kind of inside it. Okay, and inside it we'll just inject the JavaScript like names. And which name do you want to print? For example, I want to print the first name. Now I want to print the last name, which is like zero base index. Array is a zero base index of zero. This place is zero. This place is one base. This is two based indexed on, yeah. So this position is two. So when we inject JavaScript inside it, so we have to just cover it with curly braces all around, wrap it with curly braces. Anyway, React components support logic by putting the logic statement above the return statement. Yeah, right. Makes sense, right? So we can like you can return this. Okay, you put a logic up there and you just put it below the logic like if else condition, and it's like if this then return this, or if else then like we'll take something off it, or we can keep this also as a return, like edit it, and like it will return on the basis of a condition if that certain condition is true. Okay, okay, let me just run it, so it should come as an h1 tag. Hopefully it should. So it comes X-Man like that. So if you just change it to like one, so also it will show Zephyr. And if you set it to 0, also show. You know what crazy thing we can do here? Can we change the... Okay, let's create a function. Function random names, which takes in the names. No, let's do this, takes nothing. And what it does is it returns. It's gonna again take some time. Return math dot floor, inside it math dot random, this math dot random function. Okay, let's create a variable also. Let's create a variable inside only. Should we create it outside? Let's create it outside. Let index is equal to a. Okay, so return a equals math dot floor. Can you do like this? Oh no, we can do this, but we have to do the logical part up. Okay, math dot floor, math dot random times yeah. So we want from 0 to 2, right? 1 and 2. So we can just simply write 3. So it will just reduce zeros to 3. Let's see if there is an error, which I don't think so. Okay, so there is an error. Function random names. Okay, let a, bro. Let just a. Let's try it like this. Let a. Now a contains what? So a contains crazy values like 0 to 2 every time we run it. So why not? Why not? Why not put this random name function inside it before it runs every time? I don't know if it will work or not, but instead of 0, let's place it with a. I don't think it will work, but yeah. Okay. The crazy part, it's working. Okay. So we every time we run it, we get a new name. Matic. Sometimes we get Matic. Sometimes we get Matic only. X-Men. Sometimes we get this. Sometimes we get that. Okay. Is not there a shorter way of writing it? Of course, there must be some shorter way of writing this. But okay, I'm just showing you what I'm doing. So you can refactor it, but it's working. React component support logic by putting the logic statement. Okay, we did it. So you see, since this was a JSX JavaScript expression, so we have to put it in curly braces inside the React component. Okay, so components can conditionally return JSX to either earlier. Components can respond to events by defining event handlers and passing them to JSX. I don't get this one. What is this? I don't get it. Instruction. Add logic to my code. Produce different codes based on the condition. We did something better instead. So can I use already built components inside another component? I don't want to answer that. I don't want to see the answer as well. So that's all for the video, I suppose. I think we are 30% complete in React. Our pace has for sure slowed down, but creating React app and use React app to create introduction. I'm like a big fan of this. I'm just gonna do one thing right now. It's like gonna manage extension. And why am I doing it? Because I just suddenly became a fan of what? I'll show you what. Where can I download? Wanna download one file. Single file, I guess. Single file. So we have single file. This is the best extension. What was I saying that this page looks crazy good? Okay, like easy to read. I don't know why. Like so easy to read. So we can use this to create documents in the future for like this kind of theme. Blue themes are crazy here. Anyway, React creating a React app. Use a React app only when React component applications on your computer. Introduction. I don't know what the fuck was that. React is a user interface framework developed by Facebook. Okay, it has a quick growing developer adoption rate. Getting ready, we need to use Node packages and VM Node V. Should we read it? I think this is not a part of that video, but okay, okay, buddy. Yo, bada, macha, macha. I downloaded it. Where did it go? Add to Firefox. Add. Okay. So we can use single file. Look, you can see down here something is happening. So basically the entire website is getting converted into HTML. It can be very useful for developer people. What the fuck's happening? Okay. Mhm. Okay, I'll catch you up in the next video. Think something happened and it's okay. Yeah, it is working right now. Wasn't it working then? So it is running down. Why it has to load again? Anyways, I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care, be safe.